Can you please believe me that your oof sound is back? I'm not lying. It's actually back. I'll tell ya. So, a game that has no sound. No sound. Just wait. I'll get a game. Okay, so I searched up for die. Now let me turn it up fully. Don't worry of how high it goes. So 45, don't worry. I'll make sure to turn it back down when I'm done with the video. Just get ready. You will hear the oof sound. I think you will love it. I'll go in here, this game, try to die, and you'll see if it's true or not. Wait. Let me quit. Don't worry. I'm gonna go here. Okay, good. How about I reset my character? Oh, I can't. So I'm gonna reset. Oh, I don't know how to. You know, I'll go to a level. So you can reset. I need to reset. There we go. Here. No. Here, the kill brick. Ooh. The sound! the oof sound! Let me go back that level again. Watch. Ooh. WW. Thank you, Roblox.